This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for September 8th, 2025. It's currently September 4th, 2025, 9:08 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $649.12. That's USD. Had a huge day today. On the 1 month, that was the devil card, so keep that in mind. An intentional fake out or shakeout. The shuffle file for the September 8th reading was created on September 1st, 2025 at 8:19 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video playing for you here. So what I'm going to cover in this video will be the overall trend direction and chart behavior for the day, as well as the timing and chart behavior for the day's highest high and lowest low, and the hour-by-hour sequence of chart events. It's important to understand that the sequence of chart events is the main purpose of the prediction. The timing to the hour is usually on point, but there's plenty of cases where you'll need to give it plus or minus an hour or two of wiggle room. It's a sequence of chart events that will remain accurate nonetheless, and that's why I say pay closest attention to the sequence of chart events over timing. It's also why I don't recommend trading this information alone. I've been doing this for 26 years, my friends. I'm the developer and founder of the system called SO Meta Analysis. I learned many mistakes along the way, benefit from my mistakes, and get the early access subscription with the live Discord trade alerts and live trading view chart links. I'm going to show you how to get that at the end of the video. So let's get into it. There's a prominent peak on a multi-day scale highlighted here, and we likely see it twice, or either that or there's a slant to the trend with two highs and two lows. We'll decline from resistance to support, reverse, return all the way, retrace all the way back to resistance, and then reverse and retrace all the way back to support, creating a sideways S formation within a channel. Behavior around the high side, we have a prominent move higher into a key technical price level on a multi-day scale. We'll break through it momentarily and then break back down through it shortly thereafter with the full retracement. Behavior around the low, a fake out or shakeout. Interesting that we have the devil card in the low significator position here, but it's nullified, so it may be that we're really low at the open, but we're advised to trade around a decline through multiple supports, and you can see how it's nullified here because the trade was to open up a short in here, most likely in the midst of that decline. Also, likely we would close out of the short here on the 5th, and you could probably open up a long there as well just before 2 o'clock. Maybe do like a straddle, but I think probably over here you would cash out on a long position at the end of the day. We have an important technical price level in the pre-market, important on at least a 1 month scale. We're bumping along resistance sideways around the open. A sideways fluctuating rally preceding a notable decline out of the open into a peak around 10 to 11 o'clock, and we declined from that peak into a trough, and then an unexpected move to the upside with a higher yet still move to the upside between 12 and 1, and then it gets kind of we see some reversals back and forth between 1 and 2. And then there's a lot of price change here at a high for the day. A lot of price change into and or out of a support level within close time proximity to this high, which we probably rally into a high, and then a rally along a diagonal trend line in the last hour ends with a fast sudden move higher, taking us to a high side for the day, followed by a breakdown through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down. It's either like a full retracement back down, or at the close we see like a move to the upside and then a full retracement back down. Post-market is a move higher, even though we see some sort of reason to expect it to go lower, it goes higher. Sneak preview for the 9th, a period of volatility and a sharp drop that'll stand out in that period of volatility. And we'll get into that in more detail in the reading for the 9th. Much love and appreciation. Guys, if you're serious about trading this information, you must have access to these live Discord trade alerts and live trading view chart links. It's part of the early access subscription. Go to our website, 2hourfortraders.com, hover over order now, click on subscriptions. Early access subscription is our beginner subscription. It's $150 a month. You click subscribe, $150 a month. You make that back in one trade. There's so many trades throughout the month. You also get the earliest access to any of our public posts. They come out on Discord first, as well as the chart link on Discord that takes you to the live TradingView chart drawings. We're actually drawing entries and exits. We had an entry for a short, exit for a short. Pretty solid trade, the last one that we did on there. So much love and appreciation. Everybody does that. And don't forget about that rule of karma, my friends. It's the whole purpose of the channel. 5% of all profits donated forward to one of these charities. 5% of all profits donate back to the channel, leaving you with 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. Following those rules will make you an angel investor of the channel. The universe will send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.